Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to any other wallet or exchange. Now it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly open your browser, then open Bybit. Now log into your account in Bybit, and then after that just simply go to your asset section, which will be available right over here. Then click on your crypto. Now if you want to withdraw something, you will need the address of an exchange or a wallet. So if you click on withdraw over here, and then let's say for example you are withdrawing USDT, so choose USDT, and then you will have two options: internal transfer, which will be transferred between Bybit account to Bybit account, or on-chain withdrawal. So in this case you will need to paste the address of an exchange or a wallet. So let's for example first, if you want to transfer or withdraw from Bybit to a wallet-based application like Phantom Wallet, all you have to do is just simply first unlock the application. Then in the Phantom Wallet, what you have to do is just simply click on receive. Then choose the crypto that you are going to receive, which is going to be USDT. Then you will be given an address. Just simply copy the address, then paste the address right over here. Now once you will do that, choose the proper chain, and once you will choose the proper chain, you can transfer your crypto. So as you can see, now the chain is correct, and make sure to choose a proper network, because if you choose the wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. Now enter a minimum balance that you would like to withdraw. So let's say this much. Now all you have to do is just simply click on confirm, and then within a few minutes or a second, your crypto will be withdrawn from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Now let's say you wanted to do this with the exchange, so for example Binance, which is an exchange. So in this case what you have to do is again go to deposit, click on deposit crypto, then choose the coin, which is going to be USDT, choose a network, which is going to be TRC20 right over here. Then it will give you the address, copy the address, go back to Bybit, then enter the exchange address right over here. Then choose the proper network right over here, which is going to be TRC20. After that again, just simply follow the same part, enter the amount, click on confirm, and then within a few minutes or seconds, the amount will be withdrawn to your Binance exchange. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.